Show you how to reset Instagram suggestions. So let's get started. Open the Instagram app and click on your profile. Now click on the three lines above. Select your activity. Scroll down and click on recent searches. Here you can clear all your recent searches. So now go back and scroll down. Click on help and now report a problem. Here you will have to write the same paragraph that I am writing. So please Instagram delete my suggestions. This is so annoying. You have to copy the same that I have written. Now just click on send. That's it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.